Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Chime to your Cash App. So, let's get straight into it. The first thing we're going to do is obviously open up the Cash App. Once inside, we'll pretend we're going to add money from an account. Here, I'll show an example by adding $25. So we're just going to say, add $25. Then it's going to prompt me to add a bank using the debit card. Now, at this point, there is no debit card linked, so this is where we will connect Chime. We're just going to back out of this section and then click on the top right-hand corner for our profile icon. Scroll all the way down to Linked Banks. Once in this section, we can look at our currently linked accounts. For this example, I'll replace the Wells Fargo Bank. Once it loads, you're going to be shown the page to link your bank account. We're going to click Continue. From here, it will show you all the institutions that can be linked with Cash App, and as you can see, Chime is right at the top for us to select. So, you select that, follow the instructions on how to set up the account, and it will then prompt you to log into Chime and continue with the setup process. Once it's set up, you can then add money from Chime to Cash App and vice versa. You can transfer money from Cash App to Chime. That's it. That is how you transfer money from Chime to Cash App. I really hope you found this video useful.